Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to introduce 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are all connected to one specific niche, and this is the facts niche. The facts niche is a really broad and profitable niche. There are many sub niches as well that you can dive in, and it opens the door of possibilities in terms of creating a series, which includes, first of all, creating the fact book, and then from there you go on to create a workbook, an activity book, a coloring book, a journal, all that are linked to the main high content book, which is the facts book. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 profitable keywords that will help you get started. They are amazing, and I'm really happy to share them with you today. Just before we get started, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. And also you can find a 30-day free trial, all access free trial for Creative Fabrica, which includes many KDP interiors, cover ideas, KDP keywords, as well as fonts and graphics that you can use for both your cover and your interior. So make sure to check it out if you don't yet have an active subscription. And you can also cancel before the 30 days is up if you're not happy with it, and you will not be charged. Now, with that being said, let us head straight to the first keyword for the day, which is a dinosaur fact book for kids. 5 to 7. This is an amazing keyword. It fits all the profitability metrics, so it ticks all the boxes for that. First of all, we have a really strong keyword niche score by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension that they've managed to give us a 77 green light, solid and strong, ready to go. Also, Amazon Scout Pro has given us a number 6 when it comes to the keyword niche score, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Coming to the total results, they're sitting below 1,000 and they're currently at 531. Average bestseller rank is also under 400,000 and it is averaging 149,826. And the average reviews are whooping 1,887, which are much more larger than the total reviews, indicating customer engagement and willingness to input their reviews and star rating systems in the books that they buy under this category. Also, the price is $10.45. Now, scrolling down, we want to aim to find at least 3 books that have a bestseller rank on the first page of $100,000 or less. Scrolling down, we have the first book right over here with a bestseller rank of 23,000. Now, this is a dinosaur fact and activity book with stickers for kids ages 5 to 9. It has been published in 2023, and when you scroll down here, you find that on an approximate it sells around 270 copies per month, generating around $640. And then again, we have another one which has a bestseller rank of 28,794, selling around 240 copies. Scrolling down again, 10,000 as the bestseller rank as well, 85,000. Next, we have 12,000 as the best sellers. Next, we have 95,000, all under 100,000, which is good to see. 26,000 as the best seller, 76,000. We have 46, 2,623. As you can see, just halfway through the first page, we've managed to find about 8 or so books with a bestseller rank of 100,000 or less. They are not sponsored, and this is also a great indicator that this is a profitable niche, besides the results that we're all happy with at the top bar right over here. So let's dive into the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword is the top 100 interesting facts and inventions. Now, this is a great keyword that you can dive in, starting with the total results that are below 1,000 and they're sitting at 33. The average bestseller rank is a little bit on the higher side, but remember, if you've been watching me and my videos for the past week and a half, I've really dived into what to do when you come across a niche that has good results. For example, here we have a really good keyword niche score of number 8 given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this as a nice niche, and number 9 is the highest, so we're pretty happy with number 8 right over here. But the only thing is, when it comes to the bestseller rank, it is above 400,000. And is that a big concern? What are the alternatives? And is this keyword really worth diving into? Well, in this case, it is 720,843. So one strategy that you can adopt is for you to create a book that fulfills the promise of the title and move on to creating the next book. So don't really dive in too much on creating the perfect book for this niche because of the bestseller rank being high, but this will also allow your Amazon KDP portfolio to diversify, your account to diversify. The sales will start rolling in and you will not be fixated on selling for this keyword, because you will create a book or two on this keyword and then move on to the next. Also, the average average reviews are 1,845. The average price is $9.07. One strategy also is to create a book, because we're dealing with a high content book. In this case, you can create a paperback book, which is self-published through Amazon KDP. You could also create a book, another book that you enroll as an ebook for KDP Select and Kindle, also a version as well. So you'll be earning money through multiple ways at the same time. Now, scrolling down to the results, we have our first book that is not sponsored, and it has a bestseller rank of 112,000. Next, we have a couple of other books also that have a really good bestseller rank. This one, for example, they've not utilized this exact keyword, the top 100 interesting facts, but they've used it in the 7 keyword slots. This has a bestseller rank of 9,951, which is also acceptable. Scrolling down, we have other books as well with really good bestseller ranks that you could use. For example, we've got a couple of, this one is 32,053, 2,900. We've got a couple of other products as well that I'll link to this. So if you currently have anything in your portfolio that you've already published that is a fact book, whatever it's connected to, whether it's connected to technology, science, computers, whether it's for children, whether it is for adults, go ahead, edit the book's page in terms of the KDP platform, edit it and add this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots in order to get your book ranking on the first page right over here as well. This is also another strategy that you could utilize this keyword without having to create a brand new book if the bestseller rank being slightly high is your concern. So let's dive into the third and final keyword for the day, and this one is 100 things to know about planet Earth. It has a keyword niche score by Amazon Scat Pro of number 6, categorizing this as a nice niche, and the total results are 79, which are under 1,000. And also we've got the bestseller rank a little bit on the higher side. It is above 500,000, but you can adopt the same strategies that I've talked about, which includes if you currently have any sort of fact book in your KDP portfolio, go ahead and add this to the 7 keyword slots. Also, you can go ahead and create a book that features 100 things to know about planet Earth, fulfilling the exact promise, but don't really fixate on selling a lot of it. This would be a book that would sell all year round, and you never know when the sales start rolling in. So it has a bestseller rank of 620,000, 117. Average reviews are a whooping 3,508, because the engagement for these kinds of high content books are quite high, and also the average price is $14.01. Another strategy that you could adopt with books that have a slightly higher bestseller rank is for you to create a couple of, like for example, a book that's an ebook that will sell, that is enrolled in KDP Select, Kindle Select, and also it is a Kindle book, so it's an ebook that does not need to be printed, and you will also earn royalties for that as well. So this was the final keyword out of the 300 things to know about planet Earth. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.